Fire Safety Audit by URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. Welcome everyone. Fire is one of the most devastating hazards that can affect any organization, causing loss of life, damage to assets, business interruption, environmental impact, and significant financial losses. Whether you operate a manufacturing plant, warehouse, commercial building, hospital, educational institution, shopping mall, hotel or plant, refinery or office complex, fire safety is not just a legal requirement, it is a business necessity. A comprehensive fire safety audit helps organizations identify fire hazards, evaluate existing fire protection systems, ensure statutory compliance, and improve emergency preparedness. In today's video, we will discuss what is a fire safety audit, why it is important, applicable standards and regulations, audit methodology, key inspection areas, common non-conformities, benefits of conducting fire safety audits, why choose URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. Let us begin. What is a fire safety audit? A fire safety audit is a systematic examination of an organization's fire prevention measures, fire detection systems, fire fighting equipment, emergency response arrangements, evacuation procedures, and statutory compliance. The objective is to determine whether adequate systems are in place to prevent fire incidents, detect fire quickly, control fire spread, protect occupants, minimize property damage, ensure business continuity. A professional fire safety audit provides organizations with practical recommendations to reduce risks. Why fire safety audits are important? Every year, industries across the world suffer major losses because of fire accidents. Many incidents occur due to electrical faults, poor housekeeping, improper storage of chemicals, gas leaks, hot work activities, lack of maintenance, human error, inadequate emergency planning. A fire safety audit helps organizations protect employees, protect visitors, protect critical assets, reduce downtime, improve insurance confidence, meet legal requirements, enhance organizational reputation. Most importantly, it saves life. Industries requiring fire safety audits. Fire safety audits are beneficial for manufacturing industries, chemical plants, pharmaceutical industries, food processing units, warehouses, logistics parks, oil and gas facilities, textile industries, steel plants, cement plants, hospitals, educational institutions, hotels, shopping malls, IT parks, data centers, commercial buildings, airports, ports, power plants. Every workplace handling people, equipment, fuel, or combustible materials should conduct regular fire safety audits. Scope of fire safety audit. A professional fire safety audit includes inspection of fire detection systems, smoke detectors, heat detectors, flame detectors, fire alarm panels, manual call points, firefighting system, fire extinguishers, hydrant systems, hose reels, sprinkler systems, foam systems, gas suppression systems, water mist systems, electrical safety, inspection of electrical panels, cable routing, earthing, overloading, short circuit protection, MCC panels, DG sets. Electrical faults are among the leading cause of industrial fires. Emergency lighting, verification of exit lighting, emergency lighting, battery backup, escape route visibility. Means of escape, inspection includes exit doors, staircases, escape routes, refuge areas, exit signage. All evacuation routes should remain unobstructed. Housekeeping. Good housekeeping reduces fire load by controlling waste accumulation, oil spills, dust, scrap, combustible materials. Storage safety. Inspection of flammable liquids, gas cylinders, chemicals, LPG storage, diesel storage, hazardous materials. Proper segregation is essential. Fire water system. Auditing includes fire pumps, jockey pumps, diesel pumps, water tanks, pump house, pressure maintenance. Emergency preparedness, evaluation of fire emergency plans, evacuation procedures, assembly points, fire drills, incident reporting. Applicable standards. Fire safety audits may consider applicable requirements from National Building Code (NBC), State Fire Department regulations, factory safety rules, occupational safety regulations, insurance requirements, IS standards, NFPA guidelines where applicable, ISO 45001 occupational health and safety management systems, business continuity considerations. Organizations should comply with all applicable statutory and customer specific requirements. Now, common audit findings. Some frequently observed non-conformities include expired fire extinguishers, blocked emergency exits, missing evacuation maps, inadequate emergency lighting, damaged hydrants, non-functional fire alarms, improper cable management, fire doors kept open, lack of maintenance records, missing fire drill documentation, improper chemical storage, overloaded electrical circuits, poor housekeeping, inadequate employee awareness. Addressing these findings significantly improves workplace safety. Now, benefits of fire safety audits. Let us see this. Organizations gain several advantages: improved employee safety, better statutory compliance, reduced fire risk, enhanced emergency preparedness, improved maintenance planning, protection of business assets, better insurance confidence, reduced operational losses, increased customer confidence, stronger safety culture. A fire safety audit is an investment in business resilience and sustainable operations. Now, why choose URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited? URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited offers professional fire safety audit services for industries across India and internationally. Our experienced auditors help organizations identify fire hazards, evaluate fire protection systems, verify statutory compliance, assess emergency preparedness, improve fire prevention measures, enhance workplace safety, strengthen business continuity. We provide practical, value-added recommendations tailored to your operations. Whether your organization is small, medium, or a large multinational enterprise, our team is committed to helping you create a safer workplace. Now, at last, closing and call to action. Fire safety is everyone's responsibility. Regular fire safety audits not only ensure compliance but also protect your people, property, operations, and reputation. If your organization is looking for professional fire safety audit services, URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited is here to support you with experienced professionals and practical solutions. Contact us today, URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. Our email ID is info@urgsiso.com. Our mobile number is +91 7359458455. This is our WhatsApp number also. Please first message on WhatsApp for your query. If you found this video useful, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos on fire safety, ISO standards, audits, inspections, certification, sustainability and industrial best practices. Thank you for watching and stay safe.